Open Settings, enter your Apple account and click Sign Out. iPhone will then ask you to enter Apple ID password. So, how to remove Apple ID without passcode? Here are 4 methods. Method 1. Use iTunes to remove. Connect your iPhone to a computer and launch iTunes. Then find the Summary tab on the left interface and hit on it. Then, click on the Restore iPhone. The upper right corner will show that the iPhone system is being downloaded. After the download is completed, the iPhone system will be reset and the Apple ID will be removed. Method 2. Use iCloud to remove. Navigate to the iCloud website and log in to Apple ID account. Then click on the Find My iPhone feature. Hit on the All Devices option and select the target iPhone. Click Remove from Account to remove Apple ID. Method 3. Use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. If you can't use iCloud or iTunes, using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker can be the best choice. Step 1. Connect iPhone to the computer. Choose the Unlock Apple ID and click Start. It will detect your device model. Step 2. If the Find My iPhone option is turned off, TunesKit will start unlocking directly and the data will not be lost. If it is turned on, make sure the screen lock is set and turn on iPhone 2-factor authentication. Step 3. Check your device information. Click Download after confirming it is correct, and then the firmware package will start to download. After the download is completed, the system will automatically parse the firmware package. Step 4. Start to unlock your iPhone. Please note that after starting to unlock, all your original data will be erased, so it is best to have a backup. After a few minutes, the Apple ID on your iPhone will be removed. Method 4. Remove Apple ID on Apple website. In case you are the previous owner of an iPhone and you forgot to delete your Apple ID before selling it, you can visit the Apple website to remove your Apple ID online on that iPhone. If you have any questions during use, leave a message in the comment area or seek help in the support center, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.